In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a downloadable product in WooCommerce fast and easy. Whether you're selling an ebook, software, or any type of digital content, WooCommerce provides a straightforward way to manage digital products. Let's dive into the process and get you started quickly. First, we begin by navigating to your WordPress dashboard. This is the control center for your website where all your settings and options reside. If you're not familiar, you can usually find it by appending /wp admin to your site's URL. Once you're there, look for the Products tab on the left-hand sidebar. This is where all of your existing products are listed and where you can manage them. Go ahead and click on Products to proceed to the next step. Now that you're on the Products page, it's time to add a new downloadable product. To do this, simply click on the Add New button, which is typically located at the top of the page. Doing this will take you to a new screen where you can enter all the necessary details for your product. To start off, let's give your product a catchy title. You'll find a title box where you can input the name of your product. Make sure it's something descriptive that will grab the attention of your customers. A good title will describe the product clearly and enticingly, giving potential buyers a sense of what they are going to download. After setting the title, let's move on to the product description. This box allows you to provide detailed information about what you're selling. Include any pertinent details, like features, benefits, and usage instructions. A well-crafted description not only informs potential buyers, but can also improve your SEO ranking, so it's worth taking the time to get it right. Now, for the most critical part of this process, scroll down to the Product Data section. Here, you'll find various checkboxes and tabs related to your product type. Since we're dealing with a downloadable product, find the checkbox labeled Downloadable and tick it. This transforms your item from a physical product into a digital one. Enabling this option will present you with additional fields where you'll need to upload your digital file. And there you go, you've just set up a downloadable product in WooCommerce. Remember to save your changes by clicking the Publish button, and your product will be live and ready for purchase. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial made the process easier for you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment or check out other tutorials for more tips and tricks. Happy selling!